Spring is every nature photographer's dream season, where vibrant colors bloom, golden light filters through fresh leaves, and the air is alive with birdsong and buzzing life. If you've ever wanted to master the art of capturing the essence of this magical season, then welcome to this in-depth guide on spring nature photography. To begin, let's talk gear. While your smartphone can capture wonders, a DSLR or mirrorless camera gives you control over depth, focus, and texture. Carry a macro lens for close-ups, a telephoto for wildlife, and a wide-angle to frame dramatic landscapes. Don't forget memory cards, extra batteries, a sturdy tripod, and weather protection for unexpected spring showers. As for settings, go manual when possible. Use a wide aperture, f/2.8, f/5.6, for flowers and portraits, a fast shutter speed, 1/1000 or higher, for birds in flight, and a smaller aperture, f/8, f/16, for landscapes to maintain crisp focus across the frame. ISO should stay low, 100 to 400, in daylight to reduce noise, but be ready to adjust in shady forests or early morning fog. Timing is everything in spring photography. Golden hour, shortly after sunrise or before sunset, is your best friend, offering soft, warm tones and dramatic shadows. Mornings also bring dew on petals, active wildlife, and less human traffic. Scout your location a day before. Local gardens, meadows, lakesides, national parks, even roadside fields, all are blooming canvases waiting to be captured. Now, when focusing on flora, think texture and color. Get low to the ground to frame tulips against the rising sun, or use backlighting to make translucent petals glow. Zoom in on details: the curve of a fern, the shimmer of water droplets, the texture of moss. Try framing with leaves or branches in the foreground to add depth. For fauna, patience is key. Move slowly, wear muted colors, and keep your shutter quiet. Capture birds mid-flight, squirrels pausing mid-nibble, bees in motion. Freeze or blur them creatively, depending on your story. A fast burst mode helps. Focus on the eyes and use continuous autofocus, AI servo or EFC for moving subjects. Light can make or break your shot. Overcast skies act as natural softboxes, while dappled light through trees adds mood. Use reflectors or white cards to bounce light onto shadowy flowers. Embrace lens flare when shooting into the sun for an ethereal feel. Don't fear harsh light at midday. Experiment with silhouettes or shoot from shaded angles. Composition matters deeply. Apply the rule of thirds. Don't center everything. Use leading lines, like branches or rivers, to draw the viewer's eye. Frame subjects with natural elements, an arch of blossoms, or a clearing in tall grass. Look for symmetry in reflections on water, and shoot vertically for trees and stems. Get creative with techniques. Macro photography reveals the unseen beauty of spring, the structure of a petal, pollen grains on a bee. Use raindrops as lenses, reflecting an inverted world. Try motion blur with a slow shutter to show wind in grass or fluttering petals. Play with reflections in puddles, and shoot shadows to add a surreal twist. Once captured, your spring stories deserve polishing. In post-processing, enhance contrast to pop colors, adjust white balance for true-to-life tones, and lightly sharpen details. Avoid oversaturation. Let the natural hues shine. Apps like Lightroom, Snapseed, and Visco are great mobile tools. Share your work with intent. Caption with stories, location tags, and botanical info. Engage followers by asking questions. Which bloom is your favorite? Or guess the bird. And now, a few do's and don'ts. Do respect nature. Never trample plants for a better shot. Don't bait wildlife. Do learn about local species for ethical, timely shots. Don't leave trash or damage habitats. Do experiment with angles and styles. Don't copy blindly. Your voice matters. Finally, remember, photography is about observation and connection. Spring is fleeting. Chase the bloom, embrace the unpredictability, and capture not just what it looks like, but what it feels like. This season is your canvas. So go out there, listen to the rustle of leaves, smell the jasmine, follow the butterflies, and start telling spring's story through your lens. Your challenge? Capture one flower, one creature, and one landscape this week. Post them as a series and tag us with #SpringLensChallenge. Happy shooting!